Zane, where's the cow? Where's the cow?
Cow.
Where's the blue cow? What's this one right here?
Cow.
What's this?
Cow chop.
Sheep.
Cow chicken.
Chicken.
A Bugatti.
What's that, Zane? That's a pig.
A chicken.
No, what's this?
A cow.
No, a horsey.
It's top a cow.
Is that a blue cow? What's this?
Cow.
Is that a sheep?
This is horsey.
Horsey, yes.
The horsey. A boy the horsey goes up.
Say, giddy up, horsey.
Go to the horsey.
Okay, push it, push it.
Horsey is stuck horsey.
Push it through the hole. Push it through the hole, Zane. Right here. Push it through this hole.
Oh, little cow.
It's a horsey.
That is nose.
Are you going to put it on his nose?
That's eye nose.
Good job. Now pull it.
Pull.
No, pull the other side. I know, it's tough. Where's the pig? It's a pig. Oink, oink.
Cow.
A chicken. A pig.
A chicken. A cow.
And a sheep.
A cow. A cow. A chick. A chick.
Where's the chicken?
Ow. Oh. Ow. 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 Ow.
Where's the blue cow?
No. No, it's a cool cow.
A cool cow. And a blue cow?
Where did the horsey go? It's a horsey.
Yep, that's a horsey. And where's the chicken?
No, it's a chicken.
Yep.
It's a puck.
Good job. And where's the pig?
It's a chick.
Yep.
Guzzy.
Yep. And where's the sheep?
Oh, shit. It's a sheep.
Good job.
It's a baby.
You're good.